So we're just, okay, so this is really good. So you can move. So the leg you're standing on, some of you, it might be too high your tape, so you can bend that leg and you can even jump out just a little bit, even. So then you can do both hamstrings, or you could do inner thigh. Just be gentle with yourself, take your breath with you. And come just in your own way, you can just play and flex and point the foot. Oh, you can even twist it, bending the leg you're standing on and twisting, away. Oi. And if you sink down in the leg you're standing on, bending that, should come into the bum. Yeah. Yeah. And just watch this a bit more. So take your hands on the table and then rock on over. So, and then you can rest the leg you're standing on. And just because we're, because we're amazing, we can still put a bit of attitude in. I don't know if you want to do that in your own cooking. Yeah. And have a laugh at the pain. And because the foot's hanging over, we can do those circles of the foot. Nice. And the other way. D, you might want to come from this end, or is it too bright?
You're too dark, yeah.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Yeah, I might.
But this is safe, so I'm lying on my table, hook in here, bring up the knees, either, you can do those ones, or you can, just kind of straight, or you could do your own, put my back in. If you're feeling unsure, just, so the shoulder blades are in, under, and say, oh, there was a crack. Oh, there's another one. My sacrum's good now. Yeah. We can try and, Elena, come and join me. Lying head up there. There's many ways, like this is just, I'm just showing you little ideas and you can just make your own. Up and then over. Yes. And then four on. Yeah, come for God. Up. I've done this many years, I just forgot to tell people about it. If you're too... Yeah, that's it. Just stay for a second there, that's good. You can hold my foot or something. And then stretch one leg. And put the other one up. And then go across. Maybe go out and that's going to work. And swap leg. And go across. So So here we're going to stretch our legs, but watch, I'll just show you. So back to where you sit like this, but then when you get your legs up, you need to put your, not fat, but muscles, or tissues, whatever it is. It could be a combination of, so straighten legs and lifting the bum up. Yeah. Good. And then we can hook arms. Yeah. There's many things you can do here. We can twist it. Oh, just a little twist. Other side. Oh, good. Now, let's say the people towards the wall push the other person. Oh. And then when we're here, we lift our pelvis up. And then we come down. Yeah, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Get your lower back sort of in. Yeah, and then the other person push your back forward. Oh, yeah. Very good. We're almost there. Hands together. So actually, if I'm the first person, I'm going to draw her up just gently. Too much? Yeah. Yeah. Lift, pull, oh. Slow, yeah. Oh. Gently relax, yeah, that's it. Good. I try. For the person who's receiving this, put your core strongly on. And let's go. Yeah, you can do it. Lift the arms up and out. Lift my arms up and out. Yes. That's it. And now,
All right.
Okay, thank you.
So we could go after tomorrow. Oh, nice.
but we did on level 5. Okay, so just the last one from this angle. Hook your hands. Can you reach? Yeah. So then we roll on that leg and lift the other one up. Oh, just kind of feel that. And sometimes I even go like, oh, just kind of, yeah, just play with what that is for you. Yeah, other side. Yeah, that's good. That's it. Is that good? It depends. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you for that one. So you can do little snippets. And 2. And then we did that turn. We jump a little bit back and just do your inner thigh. Yeah. And the hamstrings. Even in this one, draw your pelvic floor, your core up and on. Get used to have your core on. Not all the time, of course. Just move yourself to. That's good. Yeah. And then the flexing of the foot. Turning it. Great. And then we do our lovely little welcome to the day. Woo. Check in on the leg you're standing on. You might want to try and bend that or stretch it. Just tune in. Relax and smile. Yeah, relax and smile. You can look down and we can look up. Oh, and again, check in on your shoulders. Yeah. And if you wanted to do that, if you slide right in, so that this hasn't got much, they're really beautiful. What do they call them? Side bends. Coming in and over. Good morning, beautiful body. Oh. Yeah, lengthen and stretch and next, relax your neck. Gently come up. Oh. And then we did this one where we take the leg up. Yeah. Great. So I feel to say let's notice the difference in your legs. Sometimes I'll just do this one if it's all dressed up, my table. You can just do this one and then come forward with your hips. And check in on your shoulders again. Remember this one, we fall in and we bring it out. Yes. How's my posture? Very good. And come back again. Oh, use your breath. Beautiful. And we step that leg, we just stretch forward and swap. And you don't have to do the swap. You don't have to do the swap because
This is when you get bored and you have no booking.
yeah, this is when your client wants to join you. And feet together, hook your hands onto the table, shoulder blades in under. Yeah, rest the neck. Core on and push the feet and woo! And you can go in and out. In and out with the legs. And come back down. And then you can just, you know. Yeah. That's beautiful. Danny, are you taking a beautiful picture of those goddesses?
Oh yeah.
We all do that one again.
Okay. All the way, nice strong shoulders. Oh. So check in. Some of you will try to bend your arms and then try and stretch your arms as well. And then, yeah. Okay, and if you like to squat, you can support with a table. Hello, everyone. Nice. Yeah, and depends on your flexibility. But you can do these. Take the knee to the other side. I like to do that with support. Just feels good. If you didn't get to do the dog walk, this will equal that. And come on. Great. Now to something more exciting. I'm just going to do it first on myself. So go lifting arms up, twist opposite side, and then hook onto the other shoulder or back there. And yeah, and then just give them a little And you can even, I like to hook my hand if you can reach, and then look back, shoulders down, core on, smile. Excuse me. Slowly come back, lean forward, lean forward, lean forward. Oh. Very good. You gotta do something feel good. And up. Other side. Other side. And twist it. Oh. Straight back, shoulders down. Give a little push to your mate. Oh, shoulders down, look back. Yeah, ease back. Oh, yeah. Use your breath. Gently. Ah.